Since some people are still trying to distort and twist and scam the truth about Lionel Messi, the Maverick goes for statistics this evening to close the case of Leo Messi, the World Cup flop. Messi has played in 4 World Cup tournaments, 2006, 2010, 2014, and 2018. Fact number 1, all of Messi's World Cup goals have come in the first round. This man, who is arguably the most skillful player and the most lethal goal scorer in the history of club football, playing with a highly rated Argentina team and highly ranked Argentina players, has not scored a single goal in the knockout stages in 4 World Cup tournaments. Not even one. In World Cup knockout games, Messi has 1 assist in 2010, 1 assist in 2014, and 2 assists in 2018, including 1 deflected shot. And a grand total of no goals. In games where Argentina were eliminated from the World Cup, again Messi has 0 goals and 2 assists in 4 tournaments. Again, Lionel Messi is the best creative genius and the most efficient goal-scoring machine in the history of the club game. This is a man who routinely destroys the world's best defenders week in, week out in club football, and has never scored a goal or significantly impacted an elimination game at the World Cup finals. Now, talent for talent, skill for skill, quality for quality, Lionel Messi is the biggest flop in the history of World Cup football. Don't talk about Messi. Till next time.